Cool. He gave me permission to stream it. Yay! Hey, that's pretty cool. You could talk directly to the guy. When I when I watched the last premiere that he had, maybe not the last one, the Reckoning one. I didn't even think about streaming it. I think, did I record it? I'm not sure. Anyway. But hopefully this is pretty cool. It's supposed to be about 30 minutes or so. I think that's what he said. It was about 30 minutes, so. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off.
The year is 2034. In a jealous rage, Tim the Tapman steals Dr. Disrespect's multi-billion-dollar arena, changes his name to Dr. T, and banishes the dog to Planet Blonde Bang Pigeon Toe.
What?
Determined to stop Tim the Tapman from corrupting...
It should have been like Camel Toe or something. Pigeon
the
Toe.
dog sets out to find his way back home. While stranded on planet Blonde Bang Pigeon Toe, the dog befriends fellow outcast Dayshell, and together they build a rocket ship. A rocket ship. However, reclaiming his throne isn't the only thing driving him to get back home as soon as possible. More importantly, if he doesn't make it back in time for Baby Assassin's high school graduation, Mrs. Assassin's gonna kick his ass. This is the story of how Dr. Disrespect finds his way back home. This is the return of the dog.
Coming
He has no arms. I think Doc actually has bigger arms than me, anyway. It's so short. It goes by so damn quick.